Hello traders, today is 2nd of October 2023. What an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you Aussie dollar. Pretty straightforward. This is what I explained to my trader this morning. If the market is going to respect this level, then we're expecting a long here, but more likely we are expecting here another pullback around this level, which is basically, if you look at how the market developed this structure, so looking for pullback short, which we had it, and now my trader is still holding short and banking amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the key important part of it. If you look at here, this is the analysis we did at the market open. As I explained, my trader look for this pullback around this level, which market nicely developed pullback. Beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, we have another analysis, which is the pretty straightforward as explained. Here we have another beautiful short trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target, and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. Alright guys, so you want to see those analyses in real time instead of review? Most welcome. Join our fast growing community. Have a nice day, guys.